tried our scones? Well, if you haven't, go right there. Click right there. Okay, now it's my turn. Today we're going to be making mac and cheese. So our ingredients are macaroni, cheese, sour cream, milk, flour, salt, and butter. Let's begin. You're going to be needing butter first. Come on, butter. Woo. It's almost melted, so I'm adding flour. Woohoo! Yay, we have a party. Let it brown a little bit. So now we'll add some milk. And salt. So a little bit more milk, then sour cream. Woohoo! Now let's add the cheese. Cheese! It's a lot of cheese. Whee! We're mixing until all the cheese melts. It's very smooth and cheesy, so let's add some macaroni. Whee! Woo! Lots of macaroni. Time to mix. You want to get all the cheese on the macaroni, so it'll be really delicious. You need to cover all the macaroni with the cheese, so it'll be really tasty and cheesy. Just one last spin and it's done. Okay guys, we're finished. Okay, turn it off and we're good. So let's taste. Wow! It's so tasty and cheesy. I love it and I recommend you to try it. If you're new here, subscribe to our channel, leave a like, and goodbye!